Good morning. We're actually heading up to North Carolina today to pick up a mini engine off of my buddy Bob Clark. I don't know if anybody knows Bob or not, but he's a pretty good guy. About an hour out of his place. I'm in Tennessee. He's up in North Carolina, so I figured I'd take you guys along for the adventure. Hopefully he'll let us record some of his cars.
Welcome to North Carolina.
That 1275 board 60 in it.
Where'd you end up getting it at? I think you told me. I said, where'd you end up getting it at?
I got it from a GI that bought it in Italy
Oh, and had it shipped?
and had it shipped. His next duty station was
Man, that's super
outside
nice.
Seattle. And then he towed it all the way across country.
Really?
In the process, he lost the original wheels. There's two of them a number of years back, and I've been using them exclusively.
Alrighty, we just got done with Bob's. We're heading back to the house. I got me a 998 in the back of the truck here. Looks pretty good. It's gonna need to be fully restored. I'll give you some pictures when I get back to the house, but let's head on home. Here it is, the fruits of my labor. 998, high output, early A block, as you can see right there. I got the head and the valve cover and all the little studs and whatnot. There it is. Thanks for watching.